But one of the things that we learned while we were trying to make our technology more accessible for people to try, Chris learned at Right a Boom that you had folks that just wanted to sometimes play with the product, but not necessarily go into a full trial, or when they did, they wanted to see more data. Are you okay, Chris, if I turn a little bit
Yeah,
of this over to you? I know you've got a little bit of screenshot
yeah,
action here, right?
absolutely.
And some fake stuff. But what do you want to go? Where do you want to go into straight screen sharing? What do you want to show in demo
Yeah,
time?
let's do some screen sharing. So this is the idea of the of this segment. We got a lot of feedback from last time. No, I guess 2 months ago we showed the security awareness training, kind of went through, showed how like some of the new simulation stuff works. People really loved that. So we figured let's do more of that. So this will be one. So this is the Huntress dashboard. Notice this is my dashboard. You can see up here. And this would be just like if you logged into Huntress and you had your dashboard, right? But imagine you just started a trial and you're like, oh, this Huntress thing, I heard about it. It's really cool. You just started a trial, you showed up and everything is zero. Everything is empty because there's no data in your trial yet. You haven't deployed any endpoints. You haven't connected your Microsoft 365 tenants. You have no SIM data yet. You're just like, hey, I got this thing, but it's empty. Or imagine you're talking to a new client or somebody who's going to be coming in and purchasing Huntress from you. You want to be able to show them some stuff without, exposing all of your existing client data, right? They're like, "Hey, show me this thing. What would it that I would be buying?" You don't want to show them like, "Oh yeah, I got these four other clients with incidents," right? Like that's a probably not a thing that you want to do. So what we have added is up here in the right-hand corner, you can get this drop down, and you can see it's probably a little bit hard to see. Maybe the font's a little small, but it says Demo Sandbox, and so I can click the Demo Sandbox. And what I will transition over into is the Huntress demo account. Now, this is the account that we use internally whenever we do um, demos or sales engineers are talking to customers or something like that. And we fill it with data. And so there's constantly stuff in here. There's incidents that you can look at. There's agents. There's all kinds of stuff.
Even
And so
bug
the idea
testing,
here is
right,
like
happens in here.
a lot of bug testing. We actually used this at Write a Boom. So one of the things I did at Write a Boom was teaching people how to use the SIM. And so I made it so that they could easily, with just an email address, connect in, see a bunch of data in the SIM. They didn't have to bring their own data. I didn't have to show them some real customer data. Like we had stuff. So you can come in here, you can try it out. Maybe you're just an EDR customer and you're like, hey, I've heard of SIM. It sounds really cool. I'd love to kind of like try it out before I buy it. Well, guess what? You can now. Jump over into the demo sandbox. You can see the data. You can click through it. You can see all the interesting stuff, right? We've got incidents in here. So you can come and you can see all the incidents. You can jump into them and see, hey, this one's got some remediations. Well, what is this report, right? And you can see it here just like you would have received it. You can see, in this case, there's no remaining footholds, but there are still 5 remediations. I can see all of that stuff. It's very cool. Um, and it kind of allows you to try before you buy or show other people or whatever. So this is the very first iteration of it, where once you have a Huntress trial or an existing Huntress account, you can view the demo sandbox. Well, since I'm in the demo sandbox, it doesn't show up here anymore. The next iteration will allow people to just come to the Huntress website, put in their email address, and boom, be dropped into this so they can play around. And so it's a cool thing. It has many uses. So I'd be curious to, get feedback and see what people think, and I'd love to hear how you're using it maybe to help show new customers or try things for yourself.